में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में ये अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी, ये एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा, ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to all the dear friends. Franchise India teams welcomes each one of you to our webinar series, Business Opportunity of a Child. This is a digital representation of the business opportunity which Franchise India team has got for each one of you. Franchise India, the brand and association which is helping day in, day out all the investors in getting the business solutions as well as franchise suggestions from our side, so that you get a correct and the complete understanding about the brand and can take the right decision after having consultation from our side. With this introduction, may I invite and welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sulaiman. During the course of the webinar, they'll be talking about the industry, sharing their guidance as well as advice with each one of us so that we walk on the right path. The business opportunity which we have got for each one of you is We Take Care. That's the brand we are representing for each one of you. It's India's most trusted physiotherapy service provider. It was established with a vision of providing the best healthcare assistance and medical facilities to every patient at their own place. Dr. Sandhya Thakkar has established this particular brand, and today we are joined by Sandhya ji as well as Rajiv ji to share their journey with each one of us. So thank you so much, Rajiv ji. Thank you so much, Sandhya ma'am, for joining in today. Can we have a presentation from your side?
Yes, I will.
Rajiv ji, before we start the presentation, can we request you and Sandhya ma'am to share your journey with each one of us?
There's some problem with connectivity.
Yes, ma'am. I think it's facing. So, Anshul, let's start with the presentation.
Sure.
We're getting disconnected. I don't know why.
Now we can hear you, Rajiv. We can talk about
Okay.
journey. Yes, please.
Do I need to speak? I can't hear. I missed the. I got logged out actually.
No worries, sir. So we requested you to share your journey before we formally start with the presentation. Your kind words for all our investors.
All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Rajiv. I'm one of the directors at We Take Care today. First of all, I would say that brand has come up really well. We started 3 years ago, and the company was started by Dr. Sandhya Thakkar, and slowly we gained a lot of patients and reputation in the market, and it has become a well-known name in Delhi NCR region as of now. So we have come up with this very nice name and logo, which people are aware of these days. And what happened was, during these last 3 years, many people have shown their interest, and they have said that we want to collaborate with you guys and we want to do something like this, but we didn't know as to how to go about it. So because of that, we thought of going into a franchisee model, so that a lot of people who are interested to work with us or in a similar fashion, they can collaborate with us. And we have our expert, knowledgeable person, Dr. Sandhya Thakkar here, and she has been very good at treating her patients. If you go to our website, it's very informative and very user-friendly website. You would get to know a lot of things about the company. It's very detailed and very user-friendly. So we want to make it a seamless and smooth experience for anybody who comes to us for any service, and a wow experience for them, basically. So if you go through the website, you'll see a lot of pictures, a lot of information, a lot of things which we have upgraded during this period. I mean, this is the second website we have made, which is very user-friendly. So this is about me, and let me introduce you to Dr. Sandhya. Here she is.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sandhya, and I have around 20 years of experience in this field, and I will share my experience also with the different patients. They are suffering from different diseases, and now they are doing their own practice by himself. Now they are independent also. During the time, they have suffering from like coma conditions or ACL tear or complete injury. After that, now after 1 month or 2 months, completely they cure and they are doing their own activity. They are independent person right now. Okay, so you can continue with Mr. Talreja.
So what I would like to say again is, these days a lot of people don't know about what all physiotherapy can do. There are a lot of things, a lot of diseases, like a lot of surgeries which people can avoid. If you go through some of the articles in medical system, you would know 80% of the surgeries, knee replacement and other surgeries, could be avoided through physiotherapy. And similarly, there are, during this COVID time, we have seen that there is something called lung physiotherapy also, chest physiotherapy, lung physiotherapy. So people are becoming aware of these things which can make them stronger from inside. Physiotherapy का implication coma patients पे भी होता है. I wasn't aware of such application of physiotherapy. Moreover, basic physiotherapy लोगों को पता होती है. आज एडवांस टेक्निक्स फिजियोथेरेपी की आ चुकी हैं, तो हमारे डॉक्टर्स उसमें भी ट्रेंड होते हैं, और जो नहीं ट्रेंड होते हैं हम उन पर भी ट्रेन करते हैं, क्योंकि देयर आर लॉट ऑफ टेक्निक्स which you will see in the slides in the presentation. So overall, it has been a very good journey for us, a successful journey till date. Last 3 years have been fabulous. Although there were industries who were struggling to survive, and this was the time we were growing because we are in the right industry. Moreover, India की जो आगे जर्नी है, एक तो पॉपुलेशन एक फैक्टर है जो कि आपको पता है बढ़ ही रहा है, तो जितने लोग बढ़ेंगे उतनी ज्यादा डिमांड बढ़ती जा रही है. प्रेजेंट में भी डिमांड बहुत ज्यादा है, सर्विसेज की सप्लाईज बहुत कम है, in terms of physiotherapist also, in terms of home healthcare also. तो जैसे जैसे पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है, इन सर्विसेज की डिमांड बढ़ती जा रही है, बट बहुत ही ज्यादा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड और सिस्टमैटिक प्लेयर्स नहीं है मार्केट में ये सर्विसेज डिलीवर करने के लिए. तो आई थिंक वी आर एट द राइट टाइम इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, एंड the way we have grown, the way we have been successful, we want you guys also to be successful in this journey. So Anshu can start with the presentation.
Yes, please. Yeah. Sure. So thank you, Rajiv ji. Thank you, Sandhya ma'am, for sharing this your journey and initial thoughts on the business. We'll now take you through this presentation, which is ideally divided in 3 parts. First would be about the company, and second we talk about what is the opportunity today, what are the challenges in this physiotherapy and home healthcare services, and how we take care is addressing these challenges. And third would be, of course, our franchise proposal as to how you can join hands with this wonderful company. So, we present We Take Care today as India's fastest growing physiotherapy and home healthcare services company based out of Delhi, NCR. A company that is started 3 years back by Dr. Sandhya and Mr. Rajiv. So as we heard, Dr. Sandhya has been in services for close to 18 years now, and has been practicing with multiple hospitals. And past 3 years, they've set up their own practice as an independent consultant. And of late, I think last year, Rajiv ji has also joined, in terms of taking the business to the next level. So his experience in terms of channel development, business growth, managing relationships, and taking care of business from an external view, not so much on the technical side, because technicals is what Sandhya ji is going to handle. But Rajiv ji brings his experience and expertise in terms of growing a business from one office in Noida to now becoming a complete corporate setup. So that's the two individuals, very clearly defined roles. Sandhya ji more on the technical side, brings their expertise on physiotherapy services, while Rajiv ji is more hands-on in terms of the business growth and giving the business a corporate look, a corporate structure to the business, right? Few very well awarded, Women Leadership Award in 2020, given to Dr. Sandhya as the best physiotherapist service provider in Delhi. So we first look at what are the services that company can offer, and so as we've discussed, there are two sort of physiotherapy services. One is, of course, the basic physiotherapy that everybody, I'm sure, would know what basic physio services would be. And then, of course, there is also advanced physiotherapy services that Sandhya ji is able to offer today with their experience and expertise. Alongside that, very important is our third segment, which is specialized physiotherapy services. And this is where Sandhya ji's experience is very, very important. Neuro physiotherapy, orthopedic, sports, cardio, gynae, pediatrics, and rehabilitation. So these are some of the segments in physiotherapy that a lot of people are not aware of. We don't know that so many things can be serviced through physiotherapy. And as Rajiv ji also mentioned, many surgeries can be avoided if physiotherapy is taken in the right manner. Right. So Rajiv ji, I would like to invite you here, to talk about maybe one of these services and any special case that you would like to highlight here. Your patient got benefited, anything like that that you would like to share with us.
Can we check, because if I see them disconnected again?
Okay, no worries, ma'am. So we'll continue with the presentation.
Rajiv ji has joined.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, actually there was some technical error. I mean, we were getting logged out. I don't know why. Yes.
So Rajivji, I was, presenting this slide, and I thought it would be great to, if you can share some of the examples where one of your patients got benefited through physiotherapy in one of these services, like maybe a
Sure.
neuro physiotherapy or orthopedic.
Sure. Dr. Sandhya would speak on that. Speak about it. Go ahead.
Please.
यस जैसे कि आपको पता ही है फिजियोथेरेपी का स्कोप तो ओवरऑल सभी जगह बढ़ रहा है. जैसे ऑर्थोपेडिक कंडीशंस में लाइक आई हैव सीन वन केस आई रिमेम्बर जिसका ACL टीयर हुआ था. डॉक्टर सेज ग्रेड 2 और ग्रेड 3 का इंजरी था जिसको. ही वाज सजेस्टेड सर्जरी फॉर देम कि आपका सर्जरी के अलावा ठीक नहीं हो सकता, तो वी नीड टू गो फॉर अ सर्जरी. बट पेशेंट वाज नॉट रेडी फॉर द सर्जरी. ही वाज सेइंग कि नहीं मुझे सर्जरी नहीं कराना है, कुछ और ऑप्शन आई वांट टू सर्च. तो देन ही कांटेक्ट मी कि मैम क्या फिजियोथेरेपी से ये ठीक हो सकता है. बट ऑलरेडी ही इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम ग्रेड 2 और ग्रेड 3 इंजरी जिसमें 90% चांसेस होता है ग्रेड 3 में कि आपको सर्जरी करानी होती है. But after for a 1.5 months physiotherapy, he was taken regularly. BD session सुबह और शाम उसकी 2 बार फिजियोथेरेपी होती थी. Within a month उसका laxity completely cure हो गया. Now after the 1 month जब उसकी रिकवरी आई, डॉक्टर इज ऑल्सो सरप्राइजिंग कि बिना सर्जरी के इतनी अच्छी रिकवरी कैसे आ सकती है. बट रियली द फिजियोथेरेपी की वैल्यू और इतना अगर फिजियोथेरेपी प्रॉपर तरीके से किसी पर्सन को कराई जाती है तो 90% सर्जरी यू कैन अवॉइड. तो आई हैव सीन कि ऑर्थोपेडिक कंडीशन जिसमें डॉक्टर कह रहा है कि आपको सर्जरी करानी है, उसमें भी हमने फिजियोथेरेपी से अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स दिए हैं. एंड वन ऑफ माय पेशेंट, शी इज इन देवरा, शी आल्सो अ डॉक्टर जिनको स्ट्रोक हुआ था. एंड she was also worried कि भाई मैं तो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लिख नहीं पा रही हूँ, राइट साइड उनको स्ट्रोक हुआ. तो उनके लिए बड़ा चैलेंजिंग हो गया क्योंकि उनका काफी अच्छा रिनाउंड हॉस्पिटल और सेटअप था जिनको वो और उनके हस्बैंड चला रहे थे. और जो सर्जन थे उनके हस्बैंड थे, ही वाज सर्जन एंड मैडम वाज जनरल फिजिशियन. तो उन्हें टाइपिंग करने में या राइटिंग करने में सो डिफिकल्ट. अब क्या करें. उसके बाद उन्होंने मुझे कांटेक्ट किया कि हमारा तो ठीक हुआ नहीं क्योंकि न्यूरो में डॉक्टर्स भी कुछ नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपको स्पास्टिसिटी आ गई है तो फिजियोथेरेपी के अलावा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. शी हैज टेकन वेरी ट्रीटमेंट की, उसने मेडिसिन लिया, उन्होंने ये किया, बट कंप्लीटली उनका क्योर नहीं हुआ. फिर उन्होंने फाइनली फिजियोथेरेपी जो हमसे ली विद इन अ मंथ, राइट नाउ अभी वो अपने प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस भी अच्छे से लिख रही हैं, पेशेंट्स भी अच्छे से देख रही हैं. नाउ शी इज कंप्लीटली ओके. एंड बीच बीच में हमारी बात होती है कि ना अभी उनको ऐसा कोई इश्यूज नहीं है, स्पास्टिसिटी भी उनका कंप्लीटली चला गया है और काफी अच्छी रिकवरी आ गई अगर उन्होंने फिजियोथेरेपी प्रॉपर किया. तो वैसे ही फिजियोथेरेपी का स्कोप हर डिफरेंट फील्ड में है. एक छोटे न्यूबॉर्न बेबी से लेके जीरियाट्रिक पॉपुलेशन तक फिजियोथेरेपी हर पर्सन के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जैसे हमें पता नहीं है कि प्रेगनेंसी के समय फिजियोथेरेपी देनी चाहिए या नहीं देनी चाहिए, बट प्रेगनेंसी के समय भी फिजियोथेरेपी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बिफोर जैसे आप कंसीव करना चाहते हैं, किसी को कंसीव करने में दिक्कत है, तो अगर वो फिजियोथेरेपी लेती है जिसको प्रीनेटल फिजियोथेरेपी बोलते हैं, नेटल जो फिजियोथेरेपी एट द टाइम ऑफ डिलीवरी और पोस्ट नेटल, इस तरह से प्रोटोकॉल्स होते हैं. तो अगर किसी को कंसीव करने में दिक्कत है तो उसके लिए भी फिजियोथेरेपी होती है. सपोज अगर उसका बेबी की ग्रोथ प्रॉपर नहीं हो रही है तो उस समय भी फिजियोथेरेपी की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. तो ताकि बच्चे की ग्रोथ अच्छे से हो, ऑक्सीजन जो वर्म होता है, एम्ब्रियो होता है, उसको प्रॉपर ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई हो, उसकी ग्रोथ अच्छी हो. तो बहुत सारी फील्ड ऐसी है कि देखने को अब लोगों को अवेयरनेस धीरे धीरे डेवलप हुई है जिसके चलते लोग फिजियोथेरेपी की तरफ बढ़ने लगे हैं. वो सोचते हैं कि नहीं हमें फिजियोथेरेपी से एक बार कंसल्ट करना चाहिए, जो कि सही तरीका है. मेडिसिन से अगर आपको अवॉइड करके अपने आप को फिट रखना है तो फिजियोथेरेपी इज द ओनली वन सॉल्यूशन जिससे आप बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट गेन कर सकते हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि फिजियोथेरेपी सभी के लिए बहुत जरूरी है। तो हमारा जो कंपनी है फिजियोथेरेपी के लिए ही जितनी तरह की सर्विसेज एडवांस हुई, बेसिक हुई, सारी सर्विसेज हम लोग प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। एडवांस फिजियोथेरेपी के बारे में लोग अभी अवेयर नहीं है, जिसका नॉलेज मुझे भी है, मेरी टीम को भी है। जो भी हमारे साथ जुड़ेगा अगर उसको एडवांस फिजियोथेरेपी में या किसी में कहीं भी चैलेंज आता है, डेफिनेटली विल हेल्प यू कहाँ पे क्या ट्रीटमेंट होना है। बहुत टाइम तो ऐसा भी हमने देखा है कि पेशेंट को सडनली कोई पेन हुआ, सपोज किसी ने कुछ लिफ्ट किया, हेवी वेट लिफ्ट कर लिया या कुछ भी किया, तो इमीडिएट उसको सीवियर पेन आता है। तो उस कंडीशन में डॉक्टर आपको मेडिसिन देगा, उसके अलावा उसका कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है। बट अगर वो पेशेंट हमसे फिजियोथेरेपी लेता है, वो भी एडवांस फिजियोथेरेपी का एक सेशन लेता है, तो ही और शी कैन गॉट 70 to 80% relief within a one sitting. तो एडवांस फिजियोथेरेपी इज ऑल्सो वेरी हेल्पफुल लोगों को जिसकी अवेयरनेस नहीं है। बट अगर आप हमारे साथ जुड़ते हैं तो डेफिनेटली हम बेसिक एडवांस सारा आपको प्रॉपर तरीके से ट्रेनिंग देंगे। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू वेरी मच। सो फ्रेंड्स, जैसे आपने देखा फिजियोथेरेपी इज नॉट जस्ट द बेसिक exercises here and there, but there is vast application of the subject. और जैसे मैम ने भी बताया, so they had a patient in orthopedic, then they had a patient in cardio and gyne also. So this is a vast field, and that's the advantage of associating with We Take Care, with ma'am's experience of over 2 decades, having handled patients across these services. So that's the experience they can pass on to you, as an existing physio practitioner, and you can leverage on this to continue to grow your practice also. On similar note, these are some of the ailments, already ma'am has spoken about it, but these are some of the ailments that can be cured. You can see knee pain, back pain, shoulder pain, then joints, spine, hip, sciatica, and then the ligament tear, pre and post natal physiotherapy. So very important, this pre and post natal. Even I was just hearing it from ma'am now that even in this case also physiotherapy can be very, very helpful, right? So this is what we want to bring to you today, experience and expertise in the physiotherapy services, and there are many other things that we'll talk about it in the next few slides also. So these are some of the techniques and approaches that company has used. Some of them are very common, while some are expert services. Laser therapy, cupping, osteopathy, chirotherapy, kinesiotape, and dry needling. These are some of the techniques and approaches that We Take Care deploy depending on the patient and the requirements. Ma'am, any service that you would like to highlight, anything?
जिसके बारे में जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था कि पेशेंट इज हैविंग अ सडन जर्की पेन, कुछ हुआ है जिसको हम फैसिट जॉइंट लॉकिंग बोलते हैं नॉर्मल फिजियोथेरेपी लैंग्वेज में। वो फैसिट जॉइंट को अगर अनलॉक करना है, जिसको सिर्फ और सिर्फ ऑस्टियोपैथी और कायरोप्रैक्टिस से ही कर सकते हैं, जो कि एडवांस फिजियोथेरेपी का पार्ट है। एंड सपोज किसी को पोस्चरल करेक्शन या पोस्चरल पेन है, किसी को लॉन्ग सिटिंग में कोई काफी देर तक बैठा है, सपोज ऑफिस में लॉन्ग आवर्स सिटिंग हो जाती है जिसके चलते मस्कुलर पेन आ ही जाता है, बट उसको नेक्स्ट डे ऑफिस तो जाना ही है, वो अवॉइड नहीं कर सकता। बट उस कंडीशन में आप पेन किलर भी लेंगे तो वो पेन सबसाइड नहीं होता है। उस कंडीशन में हम ये कर सकते हैं कि जैसे किनेशियोटेपिंग है या ड्राई निडलिंग है, ये एडवांस ट्रीटमेंट है जिसको हम देके उसको इमीडिएट रिलीफ दे सकते हैं। मैंने कहा ना, विद इन अ सिटिंग आप 70 to 80% रिलीफ एक सिटिंग में गेन कर सकते हैं बाय द एडवांस फिजियोथेरेपी।
Basically, I would like to say here one thing. I would like to mention that आज टाइम सबके लिए बहुत प्रेशियस है, टाइम बहुत क्रूशियल है। लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं है, और अगर इस बीच वो बीमार हो जाते हैं या कोई भी उनको प्रॉब्लम होती है, इस तरह की हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो उन्हें ठीक भी जल्दी होना होता है, बिकॉज दे हैव मीटिंग्स टू अटेंड, दे हैव इंपॉर्टेंट असाइनमेंट्स टू डू। their work or personal life is affected a lot. तो एडवांस टेक्निक्स का मोटा मोटा समझे तो ये 1/3 टाइम में आपको रिलीफ दे देती है। जो बेसिक फिजियोथेरेपी जो काम 10 सिटिंग में करेगी, वो ये आप 2 या 3 सिटिंग्स में एडवांस फिजियो की यू कैन गेट द इक्वल रिलीफ। सो वी सेव ऑन दिस टाइम बिकॉज आज हमारे पास ये सारी टेक्निक्स अवेलेबल हैं, एडवांस टेक्निक्स, तो लोग जल्दी ठीक हो सकते हैं इनसे, कम टाइम में वो फटाफट इन सब चीजों का बेनिफिट लेके ठीक हो सकते हैं। So this is how we save a lot of time and efforts. Yes, Anshu. You may continue, Anshu.
So, ma'am spoke about the body posture. And I think today, given that, people have been working from home for past 1.5 years, body posture, I'm sure many people are struggling with this today. So physiotherapy can be very, very helpful in this regards also, right? So moving forward, friends, so very important, there's a wide application. There are advanced techniques and approaches that company has. And very important that ma'am has an experience of over 2 decades in this service. So you're definitely working with an expert here, right? Apart from the physiotherapy services, company has also developed a wide portfolio of essentials, which is home healthcare segment, and some of the services that we can offer for home healthcare services as well. So you have occupational therapy, speech therapy, attendance, nurse service, doctor visits, dietitian, ICU setup. So this is very important now, especially under this corona situation. Many patients had taken this service of setting up an ICU within their homes. So that's where company could offer that service. And then of course ambulance can be done. Diagnostic and lab tests can be organized, and some of the medical equipment either on rent or for sales. So this is though not the core expertise of the company, but over this 1.5 year during Corona, company has also developed, seeing a growing demand for such services, has also developed a portfolio to be able to offer these services. Right, so because while we're working with patients at their home or they're coming to our clinic for physiotherapy services, we understood that this is also a segment that we can cater to. And that's why these services are added to our offering. Right. So some of the key numbers now, 276 skilled staff. Of course, they're not on our payroll, but in our network, right? In a network in the sense, these are existing physiotherapists in the market. Also, the caregivers, like we spoke about the essential services. So overall, a 276 people team that we work with. Some are on our payroll, some are in a network. 50,000 plus solved cases through physiotherapy services across the segment, basic, advanced, and specialized, and more than 50,000 happy patients that we've been able to service. Our business partners, Imoha, which is also elderly care service provider, one of the leading companies, then Portia and Golden Tulip. And Narina Life Sciences. So this completes our overall corporate setup. Very well connected company in the market. Very strong network of professionals working with us. Sanjay also mentioned about a large team of consultants, doctors, physiotherapists that work with us, and we would like to bring their experience and expertise also to be able to support you as our franchise partners, right? Now going to our second section, which is India opportunity. Okay. So, as per WHO, today, if you see, there should be one physiotherapist per 10,000 population, which means given the population of India today at 1.36 billion or 1.37 billion, ideally by WHO standards, we should have close to 140,000, 1,40,000 physiotherapists active in India. But today we only have about 80,000, which is 60% of what is required in the market. So this definitely, puts a question mark on the demand and supply gap. And the challenge is not that. The challenge today is that even this 80,000 who are active practitioners, they are not, they're sort of not able to offer the best of the services. Why? Because we'll talk about the challenges on the next slide. In fact, here, today these 80,000 are individual physiotherapists, right, practicing in isolation. So given their own sort of experience, expertise, educational background, their exposure to customers, their patients, so they do have a limitation in terms of the service you're able to offer to a customer, right? And that's where the challenge is. Given the situation, we also see customer at the other end today, because of the growing affluence, because of international exposure, and a lot of information coming to the customer today, the customer is moved up in terms of his requirements, right? But the physiotherapist or the service provider is still not there. So we see there is an evolving gap between what is demanded by the customer and what is being offered by a physiotherapist today. There is a widening gap in the service standard, service levels being offered and what is being demanded. And that's where, this independent physiotherapist is struggling a little bit in terms of getting customers, in terms of getting a ticket value. There is no repeat customer also. Quality consistency is becoming a challenge today. So what we see, and that's where We Take Care comes in as a company, wants to bring its experience and expertise and sort of play an aggregator's role in this market, right? So bring in these 100, 200, maybe 500 physiotherapists under its umbrella, give them the right sort of training, give them the right sort of exposure, offer a wider service portfolio that MAM has, and plus our team has captured the experience and expertise over the years, and create one brand, We Take Care, as a top service provider in the physiotherapy service category, right? So that's what we want to do here. So we're connecting with existing physiotherapists to come join hands with We Take Care and leverage on what company has achieved today, to continue to offer a better service in the market. The advantage for an existing physio to join the We Take Care would be, one, you get the training required, and we'll talk about the training in the last few slides, where all we want to add value to you. Second, you're able to bring in a set of organized processes, which also sets you apart from other physios in the market, right? And third, because of this association, we're also able to consistently being able to get a service fee, which you're not able to do today, right? So that is the advantage of partnering with We Take Care. And a few other things we'll talk about it. So We Take Care is positioned as a top service provider at a competitive price points. We want to, create this 4 A's model, which is accessible. So offering our service in two formats. We'll talk about the formats also. So one could be a home-based physiotherapist, and second would be a clinic-based physiotherapist. We'll talk about these two in this franchisee section. Acceptable format, available in terms of the services and price points across basic, advanced, and specialized, and affordable in terms of our price points. So that's where we want to be. We see ourselves coming in this segment. So this is a very important slide, friends, and this is where we see We Take Care bringing in the right value for you. An integrated approach ensures that your risk is minimized with We Take Care. Now, how is that? With your association with We Take Care, you get multiple customer acquisition points, which is one of the biggest pain points today for an existing physiotherapist. You're not sure, where do you get your next customer, right? So with our association, we open up multiple channels for you to acquire your next customer. How is that? So with our association, one, you can reach out to B2B corporate clientele. You can just walk into an Amazon office and offer your physiotherapy services, which as an individual practitioner, you may never be able to do that, right? So corporate customers, and you can offer corporate wellness program. From there, you can always pick up individual retail customers also. So this association opens up a very exciting corporate network for you, right? And of course, company already has tie-ups in Delhi NCR that we can offer you to be able to service that. Second, very important channel that opens up with association with We Take Care is a B2H, which is business to hospital. So now you can walk into a hospital, say Max or even Medanta or an Apollo, and set up your physiotherapy practice within these hospitals, which again, as an individual practitioner, you may not be able to do, right? Now, what happens is with this hospital tie-up, one, your physio service within the hospital can be done. Second, you can set up a home healthcare service kiosk within the hospital. And third, a lot of customers can be acquired who are after a surgery or after some treatment at the hospital are going back home, but they will need either physiotherapy or home healthcare service, which you can offer from there itself. So that's a second very important channel that opens up for you. And third, of course, direct retail customers with companies, branding and marketing support, social media campaigns and everything. That channel also gets exciting for you. So multiple customer acquisition points, and not only this, you also get a wider service portfolio to offer to these customers. So today, if you're doing only basic physiotherapy, you can now offer advanced and specialized physiotherapy services as well, which you're not able to do today. Alongside that, you also get access to a very exciting home healthcare service portfolio, which adds to your revenues. So very important, this association completely changes your horizon. From just a basic service provider, you become a full service provider under physiotherapy and home healthcare services. So that's the value add, that's the value proposition you want to bring in. Extensive service portfolio, multi-specialist team that brings its experience and expertise and allow you to offer many services which you're not able to do today. Evidence-based personalized treatment plan and effective and timely treatments with advanced techniques and equipment that you can be able to offer with this association. Right. So with that, we come to our third section, which is how you can join with us now. So we understood, that there is an opportunity here. As an independent practitioner, you may be facing certain challenges, and we understand those challenges very well. As a company, we want to bring multiple customer acquisition points, multiple services that you can offer. Look at B2B, B2C, and B2H. 3 segments open up to you, and a whole lot of service portfolio that you can offer to your customers, right? So now let's understand how you can join with us. So there are 2 models, as we spoke earlier. There's home-based model, which is work from home service. You don't need to set up your own clinic. You can be working from home and also offering services at a customer's place of convenience. It could be at their office, it could be at their homes, or anywhere they want to meet and take your service. So that is one. And second is, of course, our clinic model. Now, clinic also could be, you can be using your existing setup, or it can be a new clinic setup as well, right? In terms of the investment, we're looking at 1.5 lakh rupee investment in home-based services, which is 1 lakh rupee franchise fee and 50,000 rupee, including some of the equipment, trade licenses, and few other things. Clinic-based service also 2 lakh rupee franchise fee, plus other items to be added as required. So if you already have a running clinic with you, we're sure you would have a lot of equipment with you already. You would have a clinic fit out with you, ready with you. So a little bit on the branding side, we may have to do and add any specific equipment that you may need to do. So overall, between 2 to 3 lakh rupees investment in the clinic model, 1.5 lakh rupee investment in the home-based model. Both models very exciting in terms of their servicing. You can do consulting, you can do treatment, and all of the services that you can offer. Overall, between 3 to 6 months break even for both the models is what we're looking at here. In terms of the price points, so typically companies able to charge anywhere between 700 to 1,000 rupee per visit for a physiotherapy service. Depending on the sort of service the customer needs. Of course, specialized services would be higher price, but on an average, you can look at 700 to 1,000 rupee per visit as an average realization value for you. And that's what we have captured in our next few slides also. Home-based model revenue, we've taken 100 visits per month at a 700 value. So that's a 70,000 rupee revenue for you. 10% royalty, 10% marketing, 20 to 25% miscellaneous expenses. So that leaves you with 4 to 5 lakh rupee annual earning against an initial investment of 1.5 lakhs, which means comfortably, 4 to 6 months payback can be generated. Right. On the clinic model, you would have OPD at clinic, which is outpatient consulting, physio sessions at clinic, physio sessions at customer's place. So this model gives you a potential to generate about 2 lakh rupees monthly top line. Because in this case, you would also have a couple of staff members with you at the clinic who are offering this physio sessions at clinic, right? You're doing OPDs also, you're doing home visits also. So there is a larger role in this model, and accordingly, the revenue also increases to say 2 lakh rupees monthly revenue. Some of the expenses, royalty 10%, marketing 10%. There's rent for the clinic, clinic staff of a couple of people, and miscellaneous. So overall, again in this case, again a high margin business, 45 to 50% margin, and you can look at a 10 to 11 lakh rupee annual net earning potential in this category also. So depending on your investment, which is ideally starting at 2 lakh rupee, could be between 2 to 3 lakh rupees. A payback of 4 to 6 months is again possible in this case as well. Right. So 2 models. One smaller investment, of course, smaller returns also. Second model, investment of close to 3 lakhs. but your revenue multiplies many folds, and there is of course payback in 4 to 6 months. So company is absolutely looking at FO, which is franchise owned, franchise operated franchise association. You could be a female physiotherapist or a male physiotherapist. There's no difference. Both are equally important and equally competent. We're happy to associate with you and start the journey together. Right. Companies also keen to look at master franchise contracts across North India in phase 1. So as a master franchisee, you have 2 roles. One is you start with your own practice, could be this office setup or what we call as home-based practice, or a clinic setup. And separately, you do sub-franchisees. So what we'll do is we'll agree with you, mutually we agree on the number of units to be done in your market. And then accordingly, that becomes your development obligation. As a role for the master franchisee, you have network development, training, marketing, and network support. Some of the key cities that we're very keen to do in phase 1, Delhi NCR, of course, we're very keen to do unit franchises, more so, not so much of master franchise. But outside of NCR, we can look at key markets like Jaipur, Bikaner, Ajmer. Then this side on this Delhi Chandigarh highway, we can look at Panipat, Karnal, Sonipat, and all. So ideally, all the highways starting from Delhi NCR towards Jaipur, towards Rohtak, towards Chandigarh, Dehradun. So all these 4 or 5 highways, we're very keen to start master franchise contracts, or even a direct unit contract also is possible. Right. Okay. So well-defined franchisee support, and this is what we really want to put focus on. So 3 levels of support. One is personal, which means training on technical aspects. So grooming you from a basic to advanced to specialized physiotherapist services. So that is taken care of, technical training. Ensuring there is a service standard. So in terms of reaching out to the customer, customer servicing, interaction, your presentation, personal grooming. So all that aspect will work with you to bring you to the next level of a very professional physiotherapy service provider. So that would be our key focus. Second, on the company side, we want to bring in extensive service portfolio that you saw already in this presentation. Competitive price points. So depending on the services, we have our menu card that we can share with you. Marketing and customer pull through our social media campaigns and other promotional schemes, everything. We would bring that support to you. Third and very important is also the operations side. So we have a centralized backend support and a call center facility which works with you, with your customers to ensure you never miss the second visit or third visit to your customer, right? So while you're busy offering your services, our backend office will ensure that your tomorrow, day after, and the week is well aligned with meetings, follow-ups. Daily admin and operations support will also help you with invoicing, which is a challenge today. Independent physiotherapists are not in a position to offer an invoice anything, but customer today is seeking such services. So we can bring that support to you. And very important is corporate connect that we spoke about, B2B and B2H. Corporate connect and hospital connect is what we can bring to you today to be able to ensure a very large customer points for you, right? So working with you on all 3 fronts: personal, which is grooming you to the next level of professional physiotherapist, on the company side, and on the operation side. that should be our last slide. Yes. So over to Rajiv ji and Sandhya ji, please.
Thank you, Anshul. And Rajiv ji, anything that you want to add on the presentation in terms of maybe summing up the entire opportunity for our viewers?
राजीव जी आप म्यूट पर हैं.
Sir, आप mute पे हैं. You have to unmute.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, any questions which anybody of you here want to ask?
Sure, Rajiv. We will take up the questions also. And friends, I will also request if you have any questions that you want to put, please use the Q&A and we'll start taking these questions from Rajiv ji. And as we understand, this is an opportunity for becoming a franchise partner for a physiotherapy center. And if you look at the field of physiotherapy, it has become rather a very important part of the healthcare system, which has also resulted today in advent of a lot of new specialities and use of new modern technology which has come in. The opportunity that we're talking about is a low-cost opportunity which starts as small as 1.5 lakhs. And the company also offers 7 specialized services under their portfolio, which includes neuro, they have sports, rehab, gynae, ortho, cardio, and also pediatric services for their patients. And third, they're also collaborating with some of the business partners which we saw on the presentation. And Rajiv ji will talk a little bit about those collaborations also which you have with some of the partners who perhaps help you in get more business for your centers. So there are 3 value propositions which are highlighted in the presentation, starting with business development, where you will also work with your partners to bring in new business for them, apart from whatever business they bring in their center. Second, we also talked about the value of the ticket size because the value of ticket size by individual physiotherapist is comparatively lower than something which can be demanded by a organized player like yours. And third is also the consistency of a business which comes to a partner. We're talking about 2 models here. One is a model which is service at home, and the second is a clinic model where we're looking at an investment of 1.5 lakhs for a home service model, and the clinic model would be somewhere around 5 odd lakhs. And both these models will also have a potential to earn, where the first model 1.5 lakhs will have a potential to have about 70,000 odd as a top line. And the second model, which is clinic model, would have a potential to earn about 2 lakhs as a monthly business that can be looked at. So Rajiv ji, to start off with, because while we understand physiotherapy as a business, as an industry, and also we talked about some of the competition also in our presentation, and since you've been operating in this industry for quite some time, would you want to give a little bit understanding to all our viewers, what the competitive landscape today looks like, kya competition hai? And I would say 2 set of competition. One, obviously, we saw some of the names on the screen, from Urban Club to some other companies who are doing it. And the competition would also be a lot of these individual physiotherapists which are there in the market. So would you want to maybe elaborate on the competitive landscape and where we, as a franchise partner can add value if somebody partners with us?
Sure. If I talk about competition, see, the players who are organized in this market, like if you've heard of name like Vardhan or PhysioActive, these are organized and well-established players. Now they charge really high rates for their services. They may charge around 2,500 rupees per session or 3,500 rupees per session cost. So as far as we are concerned, we can provide similar quality of services at maybe half the rate or less than half. So why would the people not get attracted towards it? If we can deliver the same quality in half the price, just because we are not as big brand as, or we are new to this industry, maybe as a brand. So we can give better quality in lesser cost. Secondly, when we talk about individual physios who are in the market, they might be good at delivering services, but since they are constrained and they are an individual, तो वो लोगों को नहीं दिखा पाते हैं कि वो क्या कर सकते हैं एज अ ब्रांड, कैसे फंक्शन करते हैं, उसके स्टैंडर्ड्स वो एक मेंटेन नहीं कर सकते। तो हमारा पर्पस ये है कि जब हम फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के साथ एसोसिएट करें तो उनके ये सारे चैलेंजेस खत्म हो जाएं। इनवॉइसिंग कैसे करेंगे, कैसे लेट्स से अगर उनको कुछ पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग में स्किल्स चाहिए, द वे दे हैव टू प्रेजेंट, द वे दे हैव टू टॉक, द वे दे हैव टू ask their patients to pay well, because most of the physiotherapists they face challenge कि हमें वो ticket size नहीं मिलता है। So when they represent a brand, they can ask for that price. In fact, when they get trained on different advanced techniques with us, they can give those treatments and charge more from the patients. So we bring that value to individual physiotherapists. And a lot of people, they want to do something, open up a clinic, but then don't know how to operate it. So as when they get associated with us, we give them proper procedures to follow. Standard operating procedures are shared with them. Our knowledge as how to get patients, because since we have been in this industry, we know how to get patients, how to retain them, and how to market yourself properly. तो हम वो सारी knowledge आपके साथ share करते हैं. So you become expert, slowly and steadily you become expert at it. And as already explained, you get so much of wide scope of not only treating individual customers, but you can reach corporates with a brand like us. You can go and service any, get into tie-up with any company saying that I'm from We Take Care. And when they see that, yes, We Take Care is such a big brand and it is scattered all over India. There are people, there are clinics all over India. There are physios who are working all over India. Then they can easily tie up with you. So you get to service corporates, you get to service hospitals, which in an individual capacity you can't. And the best part is quality service at the reasonable rate. So this is how we bring value to the people who can collaborate with us.
Very helpful, Rajiv ji. Very important question, which is on the training of staff, I would say. And I have a question I'll take up from Mr. Saurabh Rajvanshi. He's from Dehradun, and he's saying since he wishes to open one clinic model, which we saw in the presentation a while back, his question is, how does one get an access to the expert or I would say skilled physiotherapist? And since we also talked about, I would say 7 different specializations, and every specialized therapy would also need some kind of skilled staff. Maybe we don't have one therapist handling all these 7 kind of services. So the question is, on the access to the staff that we would need at the clinic, how would that be done, and what help maybe the company would give to a partner in getting that? Yeah.
First of all, we as a company would definitely support you in training you as to how you can recruit competent people to work with you. And one thing which is in favor of people like us who wants to work in this industry is that physiotherapy as of now in India is quite cheap. Physiotherapists also are very cheap as a resource. So you don't have, if you think if you go to the market and understand also, when you talk about an MBBS doctor or an MD, then they are highly paid people. But unfortunately, physiotherapists in India are not highly paid. So we get very cheap resources. We can, it's quite easy to get such staff. Even if we pay them a little higher than what market pays, then we can easily get such people, physiotherapists and senior physiotherapists also. So I would like to say that although we we directed this presentation to physiotherapists today, but people who are not in this industry or not from the healthcare background, they can have just one physiotherapist in their team, or they can hire one good experienced physiotherapist who has 8 to 10 years of experience, and they can, I mean, even if they are an investor, they can start with this venture. So obviously, since we are working in healthcare sector, they will need a healthcare professional. It may be a physiotherapist, it may be a doctor in some other field. So quite cheap resource, how to recruit them, how to train them, and how to follow the procedure is what we will help in.
Sure. So you mean to say there would be assistance given by you, and you also touched upon, you know, two set of profiles. One set of profile is somebody who's already from the industry, who understands the business at large, and there's a delta for him to convert, you know, whatever he was getting from his own services, there's an extra margin, I would say, he would have when he gets converted. And the second, it could be a potential partner who does not come from the trade, but he can hire maybe a physiotherapist in the clinic, and he can, and maybe the franchise partner can be somebody who takes care of day-to-day operations and also marketing, which is maybe acquisition of customers. So Rajiv ji, isme, you know, if we talk about therapist, and you know, I will take this question from my last question, which I asked. We've talked about different services. These are 7 specialized services. So typically, if we talk about the staff at the clinic, how big is that staff, and typical, you know, what kind of salary structure would go for the entire staff put together, and how many therapists we would need? You mentioned one is good enough. Would that one therapist be trained across all these 7 specialized services? Is that
Yes.
what we infer from?
See, when we talk about, actually, these are not specialized services. You have taken these names from our website or the presentation, but this website is made from the user point of view. So here we have shown advanced and basic techniques. Then these type of physiotherapy, neuro, cardio, osteo, all these physiotherapies are all same. I mean, these are related to different parts of the body, but a physiotherapist deals with all such services. What he might need training on is advanced techniques. A physiotherapy will be able to treat a neuro patient also, a ortho patient also, a gynec patient also. Same physiotherapy. He knows about all these physiotherapy, but he might not know, he may know, let's say, about cupping, but he might not know needling or kinesiotaping. So that is the specialized treatments which a person needs to learn in different courses, or he may learn those techniques through our assistance also.
Sure.
And about the staff, we have, I mean, the model which we have developed, a clinic model. Here we have kept one main physio and one as a supporting physio, assistant physio. So this is what we have catered to. And salaries are in the financial model, which is quite low because there are not much people involved in the clinic setup. So,
all right. And Rajiv ji, again, you know, my question is both for maybe existing people in the business and maybe a new partner who's not from the trade. And we talked about, because customer acquisition is very important, you know, part of the business, and we talked about trust, and most of the times patient would go to somebody they have trusted or they have been referred by. So how does one, you know, especially in a place like Delhi, you already have your presence, people would know you, but when we talk about maybe a new market like Dehradun or any other city that we want to enter, so how does one go about? And even in Delhi, there might be some pockets where we might not have our current presence in. So my question is, you know, how does one go about acquisition of a new customer base? And you also mentioned about the assistance which company would give in terms of marketing and helping maybe in initial subscribers or patient that would be helped by the company. So your response to that, and what is the aspect which a franchisee needs to, because there has to be consistent marketing, and in the presentation we have also allocated 5% of the overall business that we generate to also allocate for marketing, so that we have a regular marketing which is ongoing. So would you want to differentiate between the two? And the most important part, I would say, is, starting off, that's something which is very, very challenging for any partner. Once a business is on, they can go on and maybe expand or develop and keep building the market. But starting is a very, difficult point for many people.
I understand. So as far as marketing is concerned, it will be done at both the end. One is that the local franchisee partner will also do the local marketing, and we as a company would do central marketing. So the company is already doing has a lot of digital presence on various social media platforms and on Google, on various such mediums. So company is already on its way. If you go to these platforms, or if people try to know that what we take care is, they would get tremendous of information online. So if, let's say, you become our franchisee partner and you show the brand as we take care, then people know it. People would know about it. But at a local level, you would need to reach areas where you can get patients. If you are already a physio, you already have some existing patients whom you have treated. Now you could get referrals from them, or you could reach out to doctors and get patients from them, referrals from them. So local marketing you would need to do, and at the central level, the company would help you. And since even if we are today doing serving patients in Delhi NCR, we do get calls from patients which are at far off locations, Bangalore, Dehradun, Patna, and we have serviced them. We have immediately tried to tie up with a local service provider there, and we have serviced these patients. So we are, even if we are concentrated in Delhi, we have already serviced a lot of cities apart from Delhi NCR.
Sure. And you also mentioned in your presentation, you have certain partnerships with companies like Emoha, which is Elder First, and Narina Life Sciences, Golden Tulip. So I'm sure a lot of inquiries come through these portals or these partnerships also. So when a specific partner, in a location is present and you have these services which are required, are these fulfilled through the partner, or these partnerships that you have at the company level would only be fulfilled by the company directly?
No, we don't think in believing that सब कुछ हमें अकेले खाना है, हमें मिल बांट के खाना है. In fact, जो भी सर्विस जिस एरिया से आएगी, वो उस एरिया के बंदे को फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगी, उस एरिया के फ्रेंचाइजी पार्टनर को फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगी. So although we are doing marketing at company level, but it will be serviced by, it is presently also it is serviced by the person who is nearest to that patient. So even we already have tie-ups with these companies, and let's say if these companies forward us a patient which is for your location, it would be sent to you, it would be forwarded to you. So it is like we are there to service each and every patient which is possible, and you guys would reach to them, not us directly.
Rajiv ji, you also talked about, agar main home ka model dekhu, we talked about 100 visits in a month, and this would translate to about 3 to 4 visits on an average per day. And if you can also explain the same for a clinic model, how many such visits at the center is what a center would need to break even, is one of my questions. And also because these 100 visits might not be across 100 unique patients, that might be limited to say maybe 30 or 40 patients, because it is a regular process. One patient would need to come maybe 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, depending on the treatment one is doing. So, and how many such patients was my question would one need, for both these different formats that we talked about?
I would need to look into the financials for those which are not with me as of now. Those are quite detailed questions you have asked. I was not prepared with the financials. So,
but we can able to do that at length, maybe in detail. But अगर आप broadly बता सकें, मतलब कितने लोग हमें इन दोनों models में कितने patients होंगे, which will make it viable for somebody. was one question. The other question which I want to take is the last question is on the markets. कौन सी ऐसी markets हैं जहाँ पे हम जाना चाहते हैं?
Sure. 1 second. I will open up the data and tell you. Okay. So at a clinic level, you are asking about the patients we have thought of. Okay, I don't have those financials ready
No
with me.
issues, Rajesh. We can do that one-to-one. But अगर हम एक तो market समझ ले, which are the markets that we want to go immediately, and also from maybe one center to another center, do we have some kind of geography which is defined to be given to a partner?
Sure. See, since we are in Delhi NCR location, we want to reach out to nearby states first. Although we are open with for partnerships in other locations as well. So whosoever is interested can get in touch with us. We want to cater to nearby locations just because of the closeness, so that operationally वो ज़्यादा problem ना हो partner को भी और हमें भी उनको assistance देने में problem ना हो. But these days, phones, internet, online meetings, those are all available. So we can reach out to any location in India, in fact, abroad. So we are open for partnerships everywhere.
Sure, very helpful, Rajiv ji. And friends, if you're keen to understand the business model in depth and also the financial working, I will request all of you to reach out to the hotline number of Franchise India. We will also try and facilitate, if you're from Delhi NCR, maybe a meeting with Rajiv ji and Sandhya ji, which can help you maybe take a tour of one of their existing centers also. I will maybe try to quickly take you through the website of the company, and this is what the company does. They are already established in the industry, and so you can even go on the website for more information on the company. And some of the locations also which I see are mentioned on the website. While I understand there are more locations, your current presence is currently, and from the services which includes essentials, physiotherapy and specialized services, they're also doing treatment of a lot of ailments that we saw also in our webinar through very specialized techniques which the team of We Take Care today would train their partners on. So friends, this was about the opportunity, and I will request all of you, if you're keen to partner or know more about the opportunity, please reach on the hotline number. And like Rajiv ji mentioned, while it is more directed towards somebody who already comes from the experience in the industry or the trade, but somebody who does not come is also welcome, and there will be different set of capabilities you would require to become a partner if you're not from the industry. And Rajiv ji, before we close, I would request maybe a message from you to everybody who's listening on the opportunity, anything that you want to talk about as a closing remark.
What I would like to say is we are a young team of professionals, and I was not full-time into this business earlier. Only Dr. Sandhya was running the show by her own. But I later joined full-time. In fact, this year onwards, I joined this business full-time, leaving my private job, which I was doing since class 18 to 19 years. I left that job. I was at a senior profile in a private company, but I left that job and joined this business just because I see a lot of scope of growth. So I think we have done it really well. And same can be replicated to you guys also. And during this time, a lot of people have already come to us that I want to do this thing, but we didn't had any such model of association. Now we have started with this. I mean, last year, Dr. Sandhya has won this Best Physiotherapist Award in Delhi NCR on the Women's Day last year. And this year also, we are getting one more award for the emerging business in healthcare sector in Delhi. So, these are just because of our efforts. In very short period, we have gained a lot of name and fame. And we can support you in the similar way, whether you are from the industry or not from the industry. If you're from the industry, then obviously you have an edge over others. But even if you're not, but you know that healthcare is a booming industry. People are getting older day by day. A lot of population is increasing. Pollution has increased. So हर घर में कोई ना कोई बीमार है. हर घर में आज फिजियोथेरेपी की जरूरत है. मतलब फिजियोथेरेपी की एप्लीकेशंस बहुत ज्यादा हैं. छोटे बच्चे से लेकर उसको खड़ा करना, उसको बोलना. और मोरओवर अच्छी बात यह है कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम फिजियोथेरेपी we want to become a one-stop solution provider. That's why we have nursing also with us. We have attendant services. We have diagnostic services. We have speech therapist. We have a dietitian. So if you have a patient or a physio patient और उसकी फैमिली में किसी भी तरह की जरूरत उसको महसूस होती है या उसके फैमिली में किसी और मेंबर को, so we are there to support you. So हमारा स्कोप सिर्फ फिजियोथेरेपी तक नहीं लिमिटेड है. इसमें बहुत सारी जो और सर्विसेज आप देखेंगे सारी कुछ अवेलेबल हैं. तो आईसीयू सेटअप, अभी कोविड टाइम में लोगों ने आईसीयू सेटअप हमसे लिए, नर्सिंग सर्विसेज ली जिसमें हम स्पेशलाइज नहीं करते बट वी हैव स्टाफ. सो हमने जिस तरह से इन स्टाफ को अपने साथ जोड़ा उस तरह से आप भी जोड़ सकते हो. इसमें इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. इट्स जस्ट कि इतना ज्यादा बिजनेस है मार्केट में, इतने ज्यादा पेशेंट्स हैं कि उनको सर्विस देने वाले नहीं हैं. तो अगर आप वो सर्विस देने वाले बन पाते हो, एंड सी वी फोकस ऑन क्वालिटी. तो क्वालिटी अगर मिलेगी एट रीजनेबल प्राइस, सो एनीबडी वुड लाइक टू टेक सर्विस फ्रॉम यू. So as we have done it successfully, you guys can do it too. That is what I have.
Thank you so much, Rajiv ji. This was very inspirational. You said you left your job to be part of this business, and there's a big potential. And congratulations to you, Sandhya ji, for what you've achieved. And we did see the picture of the award that you got on the summit. And may you keep doing the good work that you do. Thank you so much. Sandhya ji, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे as a closing remark?
बस फिजियोथेरेपी का स्कोप काफी बहुत ज्यादा है. जितनी लोगों में इंडिया के बाहर तो लोगों में अवेयरनेस थी, नाउ अ डेज द इंडिया इज आल्सो ग्रोइंग. लोगों को भी फिजियोथेरेपी की अवेयरनेस काफी हो गई है. तो वी वांट कि जितने ज्यादा मार्केट में प्लेयर्स होंगे, जितने ज्यादा इसको फिजियोथेरेपी को कैडर करें कि उससे मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स को सर्विसेज मिल पाएगी. एंड मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स को हमारी कंपनी की तरफ से अच्छी रिजल्ट्स ओरिएंटेड और बेटर सर्विस मिलेगी, तो कंपनी विल आल्सो ग्रो एंड यू विल आल्सो ग्रो. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sandhya. And Ashna, can I request you to kindly take over for the closing remarks?
Sure. So thank you so much, Ms. Sandhya, for joining in today. Thank you so much, Rajiv sir, for sparing time and all the efforts you have done during our dry run. Thank you so much. Thanks, Anshul, for coming and presented this model. We would like to thank Sonia ma'am also for her insights about the industry as well as about the opportunity we got for you. Thank you so much, all the dear friends, for your registration, joining us today for this particular business opportunity. You would like to know more about different business options, you can connect with us at our business hotline number, which is 9717683838. You can also write to us at feedback@franchiseindia.in. We have shared both the information in our chat box. Also, you wish to connect with us at our different social handles. We are available at Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, as well as Twitter. You can share your suggestion and feedback. You want guidance as well as expert advice from the management team of Franchise India, you can definitely get so by joining them at the LinkedIn platform. Information as well as link shared on the screen. And we wish you to join us for our greatest physical event, which we are organizing on 4th and 5th of September in Delhi. JW Marriott's Aerocity is the place where you can join us for 2 days of big exhibition under a Fro Expo. where we are representing, calling and showcasing 150 brands. So you want to join this particular event for 2 days, reach out to Franchise India team. The entire team will help you with the maximum information. And today under our Bharat Franchise Show, we would like you to join us for our UP show. The show will start at 7 p.m. We have invited and requested brand founders and directors from top 5 companies. They will come, talk digitally to you, interact digitally to you about their business opportunity. To get the registration link, you can either reach out to us at our business hotline number or also can visit us at the Facebook page where we have shared the registration link. And tomorrow under our business opportunity over chai 12 p.m. webinar, we are bringing the team of Bricks for Kids. It's an international business opportunity for each one of you. The team would come, digitally interact with you, talk about their business option as well as franchise model they are offering in market. So please do registration again, either at our business hotline number or go to Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited. Thank you so much once again for joining in today. Have a very safe day ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Sandhya. Thank you, friends.